Hey, so I sent my husband shopping and he brought home like a clam bake and I'm gonna try to show you if you can see it. And it's pretty cool. I mean it's got stuff happening in it, but I'm gonna make it super better because that's what I do here on a Yvonne show. So just watch, check it out, and we're gonna make something super awesome and healthy. Okay, so just hang out, check it out, and when you send your husband shopping, be ready to just make it better. And then he's just gonna be like, "Ooh, I did good." Okay. So this is what we got going on. We have crab legs and corn. It says put it in the oven, but I'm just not like that girl to do that. So um I'm going to just hook it up a little bit, add a little spice to it. I put some extra butter. I added some sea scallops and some extra shrimp, as I will show you in a minute. I'm just actually just peeling the shrimp so it can be good. So I'm taking the extra shrimp that I always keep shrimp in my freezer, and I'm just sticking it under everything and just, making it nice. Okay, so I have this on like medium heat. Bam! Got the Old Bay, putting that in there because, nothing's good without the Old Bay. I put a half a stick of butter in there. I'm just gonna make it nice. I went with the shrimp that's not cooked on the bottom because he bought it and it was like already made. So there's never enough Old Bay. Just saying, just putting that out there for you. So just don't be afraid to use the Old Bay, man. There's some good stuff. These are my new pots and pans. There's over today. Well, my new pan. And yeah, it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna take the cover and cover that up and just let it steam. Just like that, because that's how we do it here on the Yvonne Show. Holla! Yeah, so here we go. Yeah, so here we go. We're just still just cooking it. I just want you to see it cooking because it looks so good. And I'm gonna just leave you here for a little bit so you can see it cooking. Let me see if I can. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. I wanted to just get in the picture with you, but gotta be safe. So anyway, I'll see if I can. Hey, if you can see me, holla. I don't know if you can see me or not, but that was me saying hi. I'll turn it around, but so I'm just cooking. I'm gonna put the top on it and let you see it steam for a little bit. Um, Mix it up, cause we gotta mix it up, yo. Just turn that corn. I'm crazy, so I might put a little bit of more Old Bay in it. Or maybe not because I have no idea what I did with it. So just watch it cook, watch it boil, watch it get done so you can love it. It looks amazing. This is our seafood bake for dinner tonight. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. It's gonna be so good, yo. I don't know what just happened with that. I'm so excited about this. It's going to be so good. Oh my God, I absolutely love crabs. I'm actually going to buy some live ones and cook them and eat them and let you just check it out. I can't wait. It's going to be so great. But yeah. So hopefully, you guys just pick it up. I mean, just go to the market, pick up the bake, add some extra shrimp, add some extra scallops, or whatever you want to do with it, and make it to your liking the way you want it. I put extra Old Bay in it because I'm a spicy chick. All right. So anyway, I'm gonna put you back down and just let you check it out. Kisses. Okay, so look how beautiful. It's just done. It's so beautiful looking. I am going to add a little bit more Old Bay in there because Old Bay is the bomb, especially when you're having a seafood bake. Can never have enough. And you can put garlic. I mean, just whatever you want in it. It's good. A little extra butter. I'm kind of like trying to lose a little bit of weight. And what I did was I took my salad, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, peppers, um, celery, cucumbers, and I stick it in a baggie. And I'm going to make a little salad, and dinner will be served. Okay. So there it is. There's dinner. That's my husband's with the shrimp and potatoes and scallops and the salad and corn. And this is me. Bam! Crab legs, shrimp, scallops, potatoes, corn. And it's just, oh my God, it's going to be so good. I have a little bit of Old Bay butter sauce and some hard seltzer. I am so ready to enjoy this. It didn't take long. As you can see, it was just stupid amazing. I couldn't help myself. Just one more picture with me getting ready to tear this up. I am going to eat it. It's going to be so good. Oh my God. And I'll show you my husband's plate, which isn't as crazy as mine. But we have shrimp and corn and salad and scallops and potatoes. So beautiful. I hate to even eat it, but a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do, right? Okay. Thank you for joining the Yvonne Show, and please hit the notification bell and subscribe. All right. I'll see you guys.